See the difference now?
Oh,
1.6.
this one. Temperature. Reference chamber 117. Oh, still running. 118. Say two difference. 119, 120.
1.6.
2.6 difference, huh? From the reference and the chamber.
Once it is at 120, you see how much this one is. See 1.5.
Difference 1.5. Still heating. $121. So no need to stabilize the pressure.
It will fail.
Huh?
$1.5, right?
Yeah, this one 121.
So now you compare the pressure.
The same. 122. 122.7.
See, in 122.7, your pressure should be almost 217.9.
217.
Yeah,
217.2.
so it's okay.
To 17.6. 17.16 is so this is the should be is the same 122.5 122.4 is if this one become high it will give you high temperature.
Yeah, any one of them will go high, it will give.
Will give temperature high temperature.
Mm.
No, it's okay, I think so. So here is 215 chambers
Yeah.
by 2. So 200 215. I think here high. No, this one is what? KPA this one. That's the problem, this one KPA. This one is yeah, KPA up. This is the one KPA. 200
20, 40, huh?
huh?
60.
12. 213 only here in the pressure, but here in the chamber 250. No.
40.
40. 240. By 10 this one. By 20. 20. 40, 60, 80, 100. Yeah, by 20. So 40 this one. 240 in the chamber. But here 215. So here is high. Because 240, you see. 240. This one only 213.
How about your 134 cycle is good?
I know. Yeah, the 134 I try to run is okay. But 134 is they are not using. They are using only this one for 121.
Only 1 to 1?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
134 there on their side.
Ah.
They are using only this one for 121.
Oh. Okay.
But I tried this one, but the Boydic test should be 134, sir.
You see, your jacket pressure is
Jacket pressure is how much? 200,
Okay. 20.
220.21. Chamber 240, 216. I don't know this one is accurate or no. But it's okay as long as it will not fail. It's 216. So the analog meter is high, 240. The digital is 215 only. How much the 222.5 there? 222.5 in your pressure. It should be how much the pressure?
No, this one, the digital it is accurate.
Huh?
The digital
212 for 122.
for 122. It's 212.4.
212.
Yeah, so 122.5 now.
122.6
Here 215.8.
to 16.8. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Only the hair is high. Why? This one is 220. Now 240.
40.
240.
It's not accurate, man.
Maybe this digital is, the analog is not calibrated. No problem. As long as there is no failure item. I think this one is okay now. 122.3, 122.1. Should be these two is almost the same. One of this one will go high, it will give you alarm high temperature.